And there you have it. A lot of it didn't go as planned. Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds, and I'm Easy E. And when it rains, it pours. So, y'all seen the last video? Y'all seen that thumbnail? We got the motor pulled out of here, the transmission, and it's time to remove some glass. I did a lot of that off camera because I'm not a professional at removing glass yet. I'll keep buying tools here and there to remove glass because I don't want to spend those big bucks for the equalizer glass removal tool, or like other large YouTubers spending thousands of dollars to remove glass faster and easier. So it is what it is. The front windshield is out. The back windshield is out. The side ones being out. They just up in there. But let's go see what's going on, because I'm going to let y'all know in a minute. Like I said, the front windshield has been removed because I'm going to pull that whole dash out. Everything's coming out. Still got a lot of stuff to take apart. I mean, you can get that all done in this video. I ain't trying to make this video that long. But the thing is, I think I'm going to get these doors off and get this top chopped off, get the sunroof out. That's all these glasses they already loose. Back glass already been removed. Just got to get all the wiring and stuff out of there, get the motor out. Tail lights is out. Got to get the rear bumper off. The exhaust bin off. I'm keeping that gas door. I ain't going to keep these handles. But I just got to get all these doors, get all the glass broken down, and get this roof chopped off. Because I'm trying to make a load of scrap for tomorrow. Because, have it my luck, my refrigerator went out. So now, I have my old refrigerator in the bed of my old Ram truck. And I'm I need my Ram truck to go cut grass. So I can't leave. I ain't gonna drive around with no refrigerator in the back of my truck. So I'm gonna make a load of scrap using the red Pontiac Torrent. We're gonna slice and dice and get enough parts in here and give me a single load, so at least I go up there. It won't be a waste of money. At least I get some gas money out of it, because I wasn't trying to do it this way. Then expect my refrigerator to go out and everything start to melt, make a big old mess. But I still got the hood that got to go, so there ain't no biggie. I still got some other stuff around here that can go. I can break this lawnmower down in the morning, take the motor off of there, and throw that in there. Bumper reinforcement for this car. That half of that core support. The rear bumper reinforcement for the red Monte Carlo. Some rotors over there from the Equinox. Some other miscellaneous scrap pieces. So I think I'm going to get these doors off. Get the sunroof down. Then we're going to call it a wrap and chop her on up. And to drop the sunroof, it looks like it's just a bunch of 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I count 8 10 millimeters. So if you have sunroof ever get busted out, it's not that hard to replace it with another one. Just drop a headliner. Drop all the plastic down. Take your 10 millimeters and drop it down. Make sure everything disconnected. And go to your nearest junkyard. Call your nearest junkyard and get you another one. Or you can just change the glass. Sometimes you can just pull the glass out, take the screws out on the sides, and the glass will pop on out and replace it. Because I do got a glass for a Monte Carlo up there, just the glass, not the whole assembly. So let's get started, people. All doors are removed. Even the rear door. Glass is removed. Sunroof is removed. And what y'all seen me doing, since obviously there's no battery in this car, no motor in this car, I was jumping off the window motors with my jumper box, connecting a hot and a ground. We're pretty much giving it 12 volts to the window regulator motor to raise it up or take it down, because there's only 2 pins. If you reverse the polarity, then it go up. Reverse it again, it go down. So you gotta get what I'm trying to say. But both doors are off. Still got a lot of wiring up in here. But I think I can pop that all off, because I just want to get this roof removed so I can go in the house. It's late, because like I said, I got a late start because I had to go get a new refrigerator. Because if y'all thinking like, oh, he just dumped his refrigerator. No, I got a new one before I pulled the old one out. Should have put the old one out first, but it's still got stuff in the refrigerator. Ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, my granddaughter's Jell-O cups. Y'all know, wasn't no milk, no juice or nothing. But now, I think I'm gonna get those. Let me get those clips down real quick and see. I'm gonna cut this roof off. See, I want to cut this pillar down here. Oh, those is hoses. Those ain't in my way. Those ain't no wires. But I am about to get the wires up from back there. There really ain't no wires up there. Those are just hoses. Like I said, the glass is already out. I got to press on it like so. Pop those on off. Kind of hard to do that with GoPro on my hand, but some tabs holding it. Those little tabs. I'm missing one. It's still in the car. That one still got all 3. But yeah, I got those off using the old hand method. Took me a while to get those off. Oh, didn't want to break that. Set that on up there. But yeah, we have to make probably a cut through here, a cut here, slice it down the middle, slice it here, slice along here. So I can get this top removed. I probably won't slice it all the way down the middle yet till tomorrow morning, because I still have time. But like I said, I ain't trying to make this video that long. I'm just trying to get some of this car cut up so I can get a decent load up to where I scrap these cars at. At least some gas money, you know, for going up there. Although this whole truck give me about $300 at the scrap yard. That's with everything. The struts, the engine cradle in the front, the rear suspension, axle thingy, rear, whatever you call that in the back. Y'all let me know in the comments section below what you call the rear end part of this car, because it does bolt onto the frame of this car. You can drop the whole rear end of this car. I just don't know the mechanical term for it. Like the front end is the engine cradle, but the back end don't know. Gotta get the instrument cluster out. Then we'll switch that over to the other car, because that one do got 109 on it. So you still gotta rip the whole dash out. But the good part about this is it's got some bolts right there, so you don't gotta remove the glass to get to those bolts. But it's easier for me to pull this out. So let me get started. What I do best.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right
just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
And there you have it. A lot of it didn't go as planned, but we did get the top chopped off. Should have went and got in the house and got a hand, or moved the car back before I put it out, because I don't have a shop. Because you're just seeing time lapse, it just fell over, fell into my welder, my toolbox, knocked all my stuff off my little step ladder here. And in the process, it landed right against the aluminum rims that I am using these on the black car. But it did get her. Some scratches on her from when it flipped over, but it did not cut the tires. But it is what it is. But like I said, we was getting the top chopped off, getting the doors off, because I need a load to take to the scrap yard. And this is what I do to these cars anyway, my parts cars, once I'm done with them, because I do not own the shop. I can't keep these cars just sitting in my backyard for a future build that I might get or I might not get. You know what I'm saying? Because it is some nice, still good panels on this car, but can't use them. I'm trying to keep that back bumper as long as I can. Still got some more cutting to do. But before I do all the other cutting, I gotta get the dash out and get all this stuff out, get all the wiring out. I don't know if I'm gonna make a video on doing that process. Probably make a video of me getting removing the dashboard. But getting rid of all this other stuff, still got a lot of stuff to get rid of up under the hood. Just a whole process. And these spiders are loving it. They're just constantly making spider webs. That's why I bought the paint booth. Always getting bugs in my paint, spiders in my paint. These baby spiders coming down everywhere. I need to spray in here, fog in here, something, a big bomb in here. But if y'all enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If y'all didn't, still give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we did in this video. Share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers on your social media. It'd be truly appreciated. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy Ease Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. Go copy some merch at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. And we take donations of cars. We may trade one or two. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!